The Path to Financial Freedom. Master Money, Saving, Investing and Business. Module 1. Introduction to Financial Freedom. Lecture 1. What is financial freedom? What if you never had to worry about money again? Imagine waking up each day knowing your bills are covered, your investments are growing, and you have the freedom to choose how to spend your time. That's what financial freedom is all about. Many people think financial freedom means being ultra-rich. But that's not true. It's not about how much money you make, it's about how much you keep and how you grow it. The goal isn't to work forever, but to create a financial system where your money works for you. Financial freedom means having enough savings and investments to cover your living expenses. You no longer depend on a 9-to-5 job. Instead, your passive income supports your lifestyle, giving you the ability to make financial decisions without stress. Did you know? There was once a school teacher named Grace Groner who never earned more than a modest salary. She lived simply, bought second-hand clothes, and never owned a car. But when she passed away at the age of 100, she left behind a $7 million fortune. How? Grace had invested just $180 in stocks in 1935 and never sold them. Over decades, thanks to compound interest and reinvested dividends, her small investment multiplied into millions, all while she continued living her normal life. This proves that financial freedom isn't just for the rich, it's for those who understand how money grows over time. So why do most people struggle to achieve financial freedom? The biggest reasons are poor money habits, living paycheck to paycheck, and a fear of investing. Without financial education, people often spend everything they earn and never build assets that generate wealth. The path to financial freedom isn't complicated, but it does require discipline. You need to earn more, spend wisely, and invest in assets that grow over time. The most successful people build multiple income streams and focus on long-term wealth instead of short-term pleasure.
If you enjoyed this video, show some support by hitting like, tapping the bell, and subscribing, so you never miss our latest content on financial freedom and wealth growth. Let's grow together. Your one click makes a big impact and helps us create even more for you.